You can see it though.
2 guys. Buy some 5 guys. You tried 5 guys before?
No. You actually follow.
Fries. Who try the fries first?
They give you so much fries. Should I just drop the fries?
Did you get a big burger or a little burger?
You got a big burger?
Ooh.
I asked for
Am I camera falling? Alright.
I asked for a big burger, but they gave me a little burger.
So my burger got grilled onions and grilled mushrooms.
Yeah?
Yeah, and jalapenos.
And then you got a regular burger.
It has jalapenos. Look. I asked for it. You could ask for any toppings.
I know, my shit too.
What you put? Regular shit?
Jalapenos and grilled onion.
I put grilled onion, grilled mushrooms, and jalapeno. Are you ready?
Hold on.
That shit, my shit better. You ready, bro?
Hold on.
Gio gave me fries.
You did?
Yeah, I
didn't get
didn't
no
buy
fries?
none. Nah. I don't really want to eat any fries today. Nah, they didn't give me fries. I'm gonna eat them bitches. Ready? I'm gonna take my bite, baby.
That's a lot of fries. What's your reaction? What's your first reaction? Oh, it's spicy, huh?
No spicy at all. Jalapeno ain't putting no work.
The jalapenos from Subway put in so much work, bro.
It's good though. It's just good.
Should be better.
So that everything is in one. I'm gonna eat this burger in like 3 bites. The patty is different. Yeah. Our guys' burger. Actually good. Actually really good. What you think about your shit?
That's fire.
I like mine. She got all type of shit in it. Thumbnail.
That better be a thumbnail, nigga.
This is gonna be a thumbnail. You got rated.
We're in fucking West Hollywood right now. But we're from the hood.
You must have come far as fuck just to eat this shit. We're like 3 hours to get here on the bus.
Just to try this shit.
You better like this fucking video. We came to a function. We came to a function. We gonna get some 5 guys on the way.
I'll twitch him.
I just got a new Porsche. I just got a Rari, that's a new Porsche. Smoke a pussy, nigga, like a new Porsche. Yeah, hey, yeah, what's your name?
Look. Not doing it no more.
Look, my shit falling apart and all.
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like how it falls apart so easy.
I don't like that either.
My shit was falling apart too. I took one bite.
But look here.
The taste is there though. Taste is there, bro.
Jalapenos are not hot though.
Yeah.
I like it hot.
I didn't expect anything hot to win in West Hollywood. West Hollywood is trash. This is boring.
We're just falling apart. Look.
Ask us questions, guys. We bored. Ask us questions.
Fries are good.
Alright, see a question there. Eddie Mencia. Is the burger good? Yeah, man, it's pretty good. It's nothing too special, but nothing bad. I wouldn't pay over $12 for this bullshit, to be honest. I wouldn't pay over 10. I pay like 12 something. That's plus the fries.
I've been running on cheese sticks and nachos all day, my nigga. This shit good.
Fucking big ass rhino finish this shit. Oh shit. We lost our kid. Episode is gone. Where the fuck you go?
So yeah, guys, you can tell I'm a speed eater.
As you can see, I don't eat that fast. But just I enjoy it. Nothing but the truth.
Yeah, in the video, that was pretty good. He's not like better in and out and shit though. Good though.
No.
What?
I'm still eating it. What?
No, hell no. Look,
I'm still eating
we got
it.
much food. Show
Don't
the
touch
camera.
my shit.
Just show the camera. I wasn't gonna touch it. I was gonna touch it for you. Let's see how I ate my burger. We started at the same time. Show them. Fuck the bullshit. Alright, peace out. 100.